Namaste, this is Nikita Kothari, Principal of Arunodaya Public School, Thane, Maharashtra. Well, teachers, distance learning during the COVID 19 pandemic, this is the topic which I am going to speak on. Necessity is the mother of invention. Advances in learning technology means that during the current COVID 19 pandemic, leaders, principals, head of schools across the world are now better prepared to continue with their online journey of teaching. However, being able to use the technology to connect with students and set work for them is one thing, while motivating them to use the online platform is altogether a different thing, which is a challenge for teachers and school leaders across the globe. As leaders, we all see how we are trying to adapt to online learning. We also see that how well we are trying to cope up with this situation and motivating the students who are trying to study in such uncertain circumstances. Yes, mental health and well-being challenges among teachers, students who may have suffered from anxiety, depression, isolation, motivation, malnutrition. So, we as leaders will have to train and identify symptoms of these challenges which a practitioner can help us. Also, as leaders, we must not ignore the holistic development during the pandemic time. We at Arunodaya have imbibed yoga with meditation even during the online classes. Co-scholastic subjects like art, karate, music, yoga, dance, all physical education, along with the course, academics are given equal importance. As the head of the school, we are trying to give achievable targets, generally no more than 4 to 3 pieces of work per subject per week, so that students can complete their work to their best of abilities and stay motivated. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. At Arunodaya, every student has their space where they can post assignments, projects, artwork, videos in the Google Classrooms. Due to pandemic, our teachers and students are all becoming tech savvy and engaged all through the world. I can see even over the time since the schools are closed, how everyone is getting more used to the equipments online and platforms which are helping them to motivate further. Our young Arunodayans have been photographed, very proud to say that, in our school magazine Arohan, and various articles are published in other esteemed magazines and newspaper. Students are pictured at EduSmart experts around the country to see how they are adapting to remote teaching, and this keeps students motivated. Last year, the leap of working from home has been too great for the students, and of course not too great also, but to stay safe we will have to follow the precautionary measures. As at Arunodaya, we put an emphasis on inquiry based learning, logical reasoning, critical problem solving, critical thinking, where teachers pose problems and students solve them while understanding the real world application of them. Teachers and students are also using online platform to stay connected, and all the resources are already online planned. If it is planned, it works in a better way. We all are aware that lot of students are going through a tough time, that might have parents who have lost their jobs, and they might be younger children while their parents are work. So we need to understand them and give them flexibility. Yes, with 10th and 12th exams with being swirled off is definitely affecting their moral. However, in my opinion, staying safe, safety of 10 lakhs plus students and their families is most important. I respect our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji and his decision. So, it works for them. We at Arunodaya emphasizes on how teachers and parents can motivate students to ensure their and stimulate students' curiosity, that the students realize the relevance of what they are learning and have confidence what they have to succeed and feel good about the work, whatever they are doing. At times of uncertainty, and distraction, the ability of focus on the schoolwork can be difficult. It can appear to few students not worth it. If we want to bring this focus back to schoolwork, what can we do? One valuable approach for parents and teachers is we can take these activities in art integration way, lot of with activities, celebration and competitions. As a theory of motivation designed for our students online, we can look into analysis process and motivate the students for attention, relevance, confidence and satisfaction. Attention to motivate students' curiosity must be aroused and sustained. Relevance, the relevance of the current lesson or the course of the student's personal value or how it helps them to accomplish desired goals must be shown. Confidence, the students should bring up the confidence and must believe that they will be able to succeed. Satisfaction, make students feel good about their accomplishment and be clear on the goals for their outset. So these four ARCS, this model can apply to development of course and exercise and to support message or nudge that can be sent using technology where possible, personalized. CBSE has given us lot of modules and given us lot of support how it can be imbibed, art integration, experiential learning, learning by doing things. These are all different means which can be applied online as well. With this, I end my note. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.